ANGKOP actually is an acronym that means answering the cry of the poor. The vision of ANGKOP is to bring God's transforming love to the poor. Initially, ANGKOP Global Walk started in Canada about 10 years ago. We have seen how Canada has moved the mission more strongly. That is why the Philippines has adopted it para makapagpaaral sa mga batang mahihirap. So, Canada now is running about 10th or 11th year for ANGKOP Global Walk for Philippines, and the rest of other countries around the world is about in our 5th year. We are estimating to have about 100,000 walkers today, aside from the simultaneous walks that is happening in the 79 provinces here in the Philippines.
It is not just an event that we are raising funds and awareness, sending 2,000 students this year to scholarship, but this is an event where we all converge together in one heart and one mind. Amen?
This is an opportunity for all of us in CFC and non-CFC to join hands to be able to help yung ating less fortunate members of our society.
Here we go! Our countdown! 3, 2, 1, 0!
It's not just walking, but a single step that we take helps change the future of others. Huwag tayong mapagod, although physically we might, but in our hearts, we should not be tired of helping the poor.
I want to finish my studies with a higher degree, my honors. Gusto ko po na magkaroon ng matibay na foundation para po makahanap ako ng better job for a better future and para po matulungan ko po yung family ko.
Patuloy lang tayo sa pangarap natin kasi nandyan yung ANGKOP para tulungan tayo, hindi nila tayo papabayaan.
Knowing that we are sending children who are deserving, our staff gets excited when they receive the cards that our scholars sent to our office.
It's very overwhelming kasi yung makikita mo na ang daming sumusuporta. Not just the older generations but also even yung new ones. Yung na-impart natin yung principles which is good in helping other people.
Since nag-start ang ANGKOP, sumali ng Meralco. Hanggat merong kailangan tulungan, tutulong tayo.
Ang tagline po namin na hindi lang po sa tubig, higit sa lahat yung buhay. Buhay in a sense na spiritual, necessity at higit sa lahat yung pagsisilbi namin.
Sana marami pa kayong matulungan kasi importante yung edukasyon sa mga bata para mabigyan sila ng magandang kinabukasan.
Sa lahat po ng tumutulong po sa amin, maraming salamat po.
Salamat po sa tiwala nyo sa amin, sa pagiging generous nyo po. Sana po hindi po kayo magsawang sumuporta sa amin.
My name is Anteris Caracat. I am ANGKOP Scholar. Ako po si Vikel Elburn M. Amadore, proud to be ANGKOP Scholar.
I am Julian Aiburio and I am an ANGKOP Scholar.
Why have you decided to walk for the scholars today? Para mapakita namin yung aming pakikiisa. Gusto natin lahat ng mga kabataan magkaroon ng pagkakataon sa edukasyon.
Ito yung isang paraan siguro para makatulong kami concretely, makapag-aral yung mga bata. Dala naman natin na edukasyon yung pinakamahalaga, pinaka-importante para yung mga mahirap, mahihaon sila sa kahirapan.
I'm Mariz Umali Tima and I walk for a scholar.
I'm Rafi Tima and I walk for a scholar.
Even if you are not based in the Philippines, see yourselves to be the agents of ANGKOP, the agents of change wherever and whatever circumstance you find yourselves in. The message of ANGKOP is not only for Filipinos. The message of ANGKOP are not just for people who are Christians or Catholics, but this is a message of hope. See it as a vehicle or a platform of betterment of future life.